Hey everyone, it's Lynn Smythe from the Creative Cottage. Today we're going to do a really short jewelry supply unboxing. I've got a small order from Rings and Things. If you saw my video from a couple weeks ago, I did an unboxing of basic jewelry supplies that I got from Fire Mountain Gems, and that included this acrylic earring display rack, my little plastic ring mandrel so I can measure the sizes of rings when I'm doing the unboxings, and this little lighted jeweler's loop so I can look for maker's marks while I'm doing unboxings. Real quick housekeeping. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. That way I know people are watching my videos and I'll continue to create content. Also, if you want to click the notification button, you'll receive a message anytime I have new content available. If you ever see anything in any of my videos you can always that you're interested in, you can always reach out to me, sales@creativecottage.net. Not really selling anything in this video today, but if you're interested in seeing what I do have for sale, the description box below the videos has links to my eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, etc. And this is just real short order, small order. It's really exciting. Plastic bags. Usually when I do these jewelry unboxings, then I lot stuff up usually by color, like an all pink lot or an all copper lot or an all red lot, etc. And to prevent everything from tangling up, I like to individually bag everything, or just put 2 or 3 items in each bag. So you know when you get those mixed jewelry lots from like Goodwill, etc., all the chains all get tangled together and it's a big jumbled mess. So I try to prevent that in my lots that I sell by using some of these baggies. Then I used to do a lot of beading in my younger days, but if you've heard me mention in any of my videos, I'm turning 60 years old later this year. And you know, hand-eye coordination and eyesight just aren't what they used to be. So anyhow, I've got some beads left from, you know, my many years of beading, and I used to own a bead store at one point, and I want to kind of sell off the remainder of my beads. So instead of just doing like individual plastic bags, let's see if I can figure out how to open this. I saw this really cool tin on Rings and Things, and it's got these little individual containers. So I'm thinking I can, because I don't want to ship glass jars. That would be crazy. So you see how I just have a few beads of each type and color? I can kind of organize them in this little display case, and I thought that'd be kind of neat. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. It's like 20 different containers, so I can sell this lot of 20 different beads. I think that might be interesting. I'll probably sell that on Etsy, not eBay. So my eBay store is mostly my costume jewelry and my sterling silver and gemstone jewelry, and I'm thinking for my eBay store, it's going to be more of the stuff that I make, like two of my previous videos. One had my fused glass pendants, another one, recent one, just did the macrame beaded jewelry, and then craft supplies for Etsy. And I have a Poshmark store, but I haven't really sold anything on it yet. So I'm thinking I might, if I continue on Poshmark, I might switch that to be like scarves and handbags. I'm not sure. I'm still playing around. I've only been selling online for about a month. I mean, I've been selling for many years my jewelry, and I used to sell vintage collectibles on my eBay store, but this is my first time selling costume jewelry and my own handmade jewelry. So here's another thing. These are individual polishing pads. You know, when you have dirty jewelry, these vintage jewelry, these bulk lot, a lot comes in dirty and tarnished. I've been using this sunshine polishing cloth, but it's one giant cloth and it kind of looks nasty. So I'm thinking these individual cloths will be better. I just use them until they're dirty and throw them out. Or if somebody's buying, you know, the few of the sterling silver and gemstone pieces I have available on eBay, I can include a polishing cloth in the lot. And then just a few more things. So what are these? Oh, I bought a couple of sterling chains because a couple of my sterling silver gemstone pieces are pendants, but they don't have chains. And I thought since it's a sterling silver piece, I should use a sterling silver chain. So I'll switch those out or add it to it. And then when you get those big lots and you get earrings, a lot of times they're missing the backs, or the backs are kind of funky looking. So I've got these plastic and gold tone ones for any gold tone earrings missing backs. And then I've got these are actually still sterling silver backs. So yeah, could switch those out. And then I got, this is just gold tone. This isn't even gold fill. So any of the gold tone pendants that don't have chains, I want to see if I should start offering chains. So this is just like a little sample order to see if I like this stuff. And then if so, I can order it in bulk, you know. Most of these jewelry supply houses, the more you order, the better discount you get. And then, what's this last piece I got? Oh, did I get another jeweler's loop? So, this one that lights up, this loop is a 20 power. And I think this one, does it say? Yeah, this is a 10 power. So, yeah. So I think I'll put one in my purse. I'll probably put this one in my purse. So if I'm like at thrift stores or flea markets or whatever, I can just grab this and look at pieces. And for at home, I'll just can keep this one at home on my desk or in a drawer because my cat likes to play with stuff like this. So I think that's all I got. So like I said, just a small order. And then probably next week I'll be doing another one of these. I just, I can't even remember the name of the company. Is it JSI Supply Company? I have one of my old jewelry cases when I was doing the shows, you know, the trays with the display pads. I've got wooden trays. I used to have the black plastic and then I upgraded to wooden, but I still had the black velvet. And I noticed in my macrame video that the black velvet tray looked really dirty, so I'm getting some of these beige linen trays to replace all my really old black velvet trays, see if that makes a difference. What else did I order from them? I think I've got a ring display, so it's like gonna have like thing for 5 rings, so instead of just putting them here, you can kind of get a better idea what things look like. I mean, I have this, but kind of skinny fingers. So anyhow, yeah, so look for this. Is gonna be a video soon where I actually show you this bead box that I'm putting together for my Etsy store. I'm gonna decide which beads, which colors. Maybe I should have gotten 2 of these. I don't know. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.